Yeah,
Then dip me underway. Get away on my foot, no, no, no. Hold me till I scream or breathe.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for perfectionism, you're at the wrong place. But if you're looking for authenticity, baby, welcome to my YouTube channel, period. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome. I hope you love it here. Yeah, and if you're a returning subscriber, is the consistency for me, period. So guys, this is going to be a wedding vlog. Ngwana Rakgadi wa nyala. So it's going to be 2 days. My initial plan was to vlog on Sunday and not on Saturday. So I ended up like doing TikTok videos. So yeah, I sort of vlogged on Saturday, but my main focus was to focus on Sunday. So this wedding happened shortly after the weekend after the Eastern Cape one. So yeah, it's going to be, the first part on Saturday is going to be in Soshanguve, and then the Sunday it will be training. Yes, a training. So come along with me, guys. I'm going to go with my sister and her husband and my mom. So guys, we got to Sosha at around, my mom wanted us to leave around 9, but we're like, so re fihlile kwa around 12. So the wedding started pretty late. We were like waiting for long periods because I think they were still preparing. So we were just sitting around, but basically the Motiba family and the Treni family, we were all huddled up in one yard. Yes, so we waited for quite some time. We ate, we drank some water and things and refreshments, and then we waited for the wedding to commence, and eventually commenced.
uyinto enobubele, uyinto ethandekayo. Soze ndibuqhele ubuhle bakho, ndimthanda kangangolwandle. Uyandincumisa, uyandithanda, hleze seduze kwami. Ulisoja, ungumntu ebantwini, ndimthanda kangangolwandle. Ndithi woyoyoyoyo, 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 woyoyoyoyo,
the colleagues, friends, the neighbors, and everyone else. It's been smooth. Only a few knows, but I think it's been decades knowing him. The World Cup, it's funny, but we're here. Yes. Together. I want to send a little teenager. Yeah, a little teenager. And you know, when you're a teenager, man. It's been there while I was a teenager up until today. So I'm a parent today because of him.
I wanna man, but it's all my feet. Yes, I do. But Bob and I get soon. Let my feet. She know my conye, get by me. Says my fatty, all the 90. But it's all my feet. Yes, I do. Bob and I get soon. Let my feet. She know my conye, get by me. Says my fatty. My mind, just a mind that you're left to go. As it goes on and on and on and on and on. You never catch up. Can switch on the night at all. And I know the color is all preoccupied by your lips and your eyes. You know why, you know why.
On Saturday was amazing. So after the wedding, actually we come from Pretoria, then we traveled from Pretoria to go to trainee, and then we used the N1. We traveled quite late. I think it was like past 8 to 9ish, and then we got there go trainee I think around like past 12 to 1ish. So yeah. Guys, this is the work of my hands. Look how pretty it is, period. Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen. First bump. I am so busy. welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for perfectionism, you're at the wrong place. But if you're looking for authenticity, baby, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday. I'm all the way in Trini in Limpopo. Today is a wedding, so come with me. I didn't introduce this vlog. I'm so sorry. I've been super busy. I couldn't vlog yesterday, but I'm vlogging today. I'm trying my best because I am so preoccupied. Yeah, this is my look for today. Yes, get into it. Cluck it. So I'm gonna show you guys. They're back from taking photos, so I'm gonna show you guys. Come along with me, period. Let's enjoy. I love you. From taking photos, so I'm gonna go that side. Say hi. Hi guys. have to make peace with the fact that Monyanya Rakgadi, like I ke kgone ho vlog ka mokgo ke nyakang, because on Sunday I had planned that I'm going to vlog the wedding, and like I thought I had everything under control, do you know what I mean? But I didn't, because I was so busy. Busy around the wabona. So I didn't have enough time to vlog, and I just felt so bad. So with this video, I tried to like take the little clips that I took throughout the weekend and sort of just combine them together, and hopefully they can showcase like how the wedding went, the vibes, the everything, do you know what I mean? So that's my hope. But like I think moving forward, capture the moments, because if I'm busy, you know, I can't like focus on vlogging, do you know what I mean? So I think moving forward, family meeting, guys, my job, my job is to capture moments, just capture the moments. I can go or because like I get so caught up in a lot of things. But guys, the wedding was so beautiful. The wedding, like a Sunday, we had a beautiful time, an amazing time. We danced, we laughed, we were jolly, we were merry, the vibes were immaculate, everything was just spectacular. Do you understand? None of that's possessed. And I was so sad because I had to leave early. Nali Joy, my cousin Joy, and she left like pretty early. Yeah, then at least but I didn't want to leave, but I didn't have a choice, you know what I mean? So, but we had so much fun, guys. The wedding was so beautiful. I love the colors, I love the decor, I love the MC was Sunday, I love the vibes, like the dresses, like they look so stunning, gorgeous, ain't that? Everything was so beautiful, guys. I had such a beautiful time, like enjoy, I don't want to lie. So yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, please don't forget to please don't skip the ads, okay? Because why? Yay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I've been invited to like a few weddings in Limpopo, so it's probably gonna be that on my birthday. My birthday is coming. I love you guys to the moon and back. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah, boy.
I wish you knew
what God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true, and I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of how could we hope for what is already seen? We ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children.